to see, always finish, okay? Always make only fruits, not candies. I'll show you guys, okay? I'll show you. And you're making smoothie. See? And don't I'm like this and chewing the teeth. You're making smoothie like drinking. Yes, and so always chilla. Like this.
Your fingers out there.
Hi guys, and you're making a smoothie, and always make smoothie for my smoothie. Okay, halas. No need this one. No need. Looking for my friends. It's like this. It's like something. And so it in here and the smoothies. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. You're making put milk. Okay, halas. Finish? Ah, it's finished. So get more milk, okay?
Okay, I'll go get more milk.
So heavy, guys. Oh my god, let's put milk. Oh. I'll put honey. Only a little bit. Okay, halas. Halas? Okay. One's right in my tongue.
Okay.
Sweet?
No! I have to close it. Okay, you have to make sure that it's closed very well. Okay, now you can press.
Wow. It's so yummy. Bye guys.